This is an out-of-the-box Xcode template, Cocoa macOS document-based application. Let's look at I have Objective-C and Swift targets. Let's look at the Swift one. All I've done here is I said return false on open untitled file, and then in the document override, I just made these two functions work, the data of type and read from data. And then I added this here, which when a certain error is presented, it is going to release the document a number of times, and that number starts at 3. And the other thing I did is in the scheme I turned on the malloc guard and zombie stuff. So let's run this. To reproduce the problem, I am going to click in the menu. You have to do it this way. Duplicate, and I get another document. Now, I'm going to change this to doc1 because I have previously created 2 documents in this folder where it is, doc1 and doc2. So now it tells me that I'm going to replace the existing doc1, and you see some stuff printed to the console here that it just did 3 extra releases. That's right here. It released the document 3 extra times. These are unbalanced. So now I'm going to do that replacement and close this new document, and you see nothing happened, although the dealloc did not run, or what do we call dinit nowadays. Dinit did not run, but it did the 3 extra releases. Now this extra releases count is going to increment. It's a static variable. I don't know if that's what you call it in Swift, but anyhow, I'm going to do it again, and this time there are going to be 4 extra releases. Duplicate doc1. Again, we get this. I'm going to replace, and let's look what happened in the console. This time I did 4 extra releases, and now when I close this new document, it deallocs or deinits. Well, actually it does both. Anyhow, so that's with 4 extra releases. I'm going to do this one more time. Duplicate and doc1. Replace. Now this time there were 5 extra releases, and now when I close the document, whoops, that was one too many extra releases. So this looks like a pretty reproducible bug to me. I have done it in Objective-C. I have an Objective-C core data app, does the same thing because it's based on NSDocument. Seems like a bug or a leak in NSDocument. Oh, and also this is 10.12.6 beta, but it tested in 10.13, does the same thing.